Hello student. Today we'll discuss on unit number 4, design of communication system. Topic is gathering requirement for designing basic block, diagram and detailing of any one of the following. So there are four options. So first one is modulator, demodulator design, amplitude modulation, frequency modulation or FSK. Design of mixer, audio oblique power amplifier, and fourth one is HF oscillator or cascade amplifier. HF oscillator or cascade amplifier. So I will explain the power amplifier. Okay, so third number, and now the remaining means these are the one of the practicals. Okay, so group wise we can implement a different as per your choice, right? So the problem statement for the power amplifier is like this one: design a power amplifier to meet the following specifications. So power output is given 50 watt, resistance of load is given 8 ohm, input resistance is greater than or equal to 50 kilo ohm, frequency response is given 20 hertz, and maximum total harmonic distortion at all power level is less than or equal to 0.2%. Total quotient means idling current is less than equal to 30 milliamp. Voltage gain defined by the A suffix V greater than equal to 28. Input sensitivity for full output power is 0.6 volt RMS. So for this one, these are your homework. Okay, dear student, you can refer the handbooks and try to design the power amplifier. So for this one, the material is already uploaded in your LMS. Refer that one, or by referring your website, we have to design such type of power amplifier. What we want to design first, I will elaborate. First, we have to find out peak to peak output voltage, then peak output current, right? Then find maximum voltage drop across the resistors, then voltage VCC, okay, that should be greater, that will become must be greater than peak to peak output voltage. Then we have to power transistor selection, we can proceed. Then find the VBE multiplier, then driver stage, constant current source, then selection of that particular Q2, then current gain, then specification of the such type of Q3, input stage, input impedance, Q1, then designing calculations. Okay. So these are the different aspects we have to find out. And finally we can find the heat sink considerations. We know that, okay, though suppose the amplifier has a 60% efficiency, the input power is 50 watt by 0.6, like this one you can 83.3 watts. Okay, so 83.3 minus 50 is given, so 33 watt must be dissipated in the output transistors. So here you can find out the heat sink considerations. So for this one we require some calculations. Okay, so first we have to draw the diagram. Okay, and the diagram is already available, that is for the 50 watt power amplifier. Once you draw the diagram, then what are the components are defined. Okay, their variables names are defined in that diagram. Then one by one, slowly we can move to find the values of that respective components. Values of this respective component. For this one, I will recommend Handbook of Electronic Circuit Design. I repeat again, Handbook of Electronic Circuit Design. This is a very best one, as well as I will give the page number also. We can refer the page number from 121 to 129. Handbook of Electronic Circuit Design, right? And the page number we can refer is the 121 to 129. Okay, if you refer this, so all designing is possible. So hope will be designed very well. Okay, being a means these are the one of the tasks I want to given. Okay, so thank you. I hope you will design, and any doubt we'll discuss on the class. Thank you.